Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make PANCIT CANTON instant ramen. It's gonna be delicious and easy. Please stay tuned. For this recipe, all you need is 3 items, which is the PANCIT CANTON noodles instant ramen, and 1 bakchoy and 1 egg. As you can see here, I already chopped up the bakchoy. First thing we need to do is cook our noodle. We have boiling water here, and we're gonna put the PANCIT CANTON instant ramen noodle into the boiling water. And we will cook it for about 3 minutes. And we will also add our bok choy that we chopped up earlier. Three minutes has passed, and now our bok choy and our noodles are cooked. And now we could drain the water from the noodles. After we drain the noodle, we can cook our egg. First thing we need to do is spray our pan with some Pam. And this will stop the egg from sticking onto the pan. Now we could cover the pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes with low heat. While the egg is being cooked, we can make our seasoning for our noodles. The noodle comes with 3 packets of seasoning, which is oil, soy sauce, and a powder form. We can squeeze everything onto a plate, the oil, the soy sauce, and the powder. And now we could take a fork or a spoon and mix the seasoning really well until it becomes a nice paste. Once it's reached its paste consistency, we will add in our warm noodles. Make sure the noodle is nice and warm when adding it to the paste. As you can see, the bok choy also comes with the noodles, since we cook it together. Now we can quickly mix our noodles into the paste. We will continue to mix until all of the paste is absorbed into the noodles. Now that our noodle is nicely mixed with the seasoning, we can add in our egg. This is such an easy and delicious meal. I would recommend it to anybody who would like a nice stir-fried noodles. The noodle is seasoned perfectly that you wouldn't guess that it wasn't stir-fried. My perfect bites include the noodles, a little bit of the eggs, and a little bit of bakchoy. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.